Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video, as you guys have already seen in the beginning, is a lip swatch and review of the LogWoman Glam Stick collection. So this is what the packaging looks like. The company is they produce products that are paraben free, vegan friendly, and are not tested on animals. Their products are also non-toxic and handmade. The company is a makeup artist. She's a certified organic skincare formulator, and on their website, which I'm reading from, it just talks about how she began to infuse natural oils, butters, and then over years has perfected a formula, and her passion for beauty has come through, and so you see her line. So for LogWoman, they do the Glam Sticks collection, they do nail polishes, they do eyeshadow pigments, and they do like liquid lipsticks themselves. So I'm just going to be talking to you guys about the Glam Stick collection. So the packaging comes in this blue box, this blue carton. And on the side you get all the ingredients in it, and it also gives the 12 months expiry date on it. It says it might contain mica, so do look out for that. I know some people react to mica, but it says all the ingredients on the actual box in gold. And then you've got the name of each lipstick on a sticker at the bottom of the box. So I really do like the packaging. I think it's very classic. It's such a nice, you know, wholesome packaging. There was no scrimping on that, so I really love how sturdy it is. And then when you open it, you get your bullets, your lipstick, which reminds me of those like classic lipsticks of back in the day, where I think it's Dior used to do lipstick shapes like this. And you know, if you brought out this lipstick in public, girl, it just means that you're rolling in the cash. So it just reminds me of those really nicely made high-end type of old school packaging. But I really love the color and I love the gold on it. I do wish the name of the lipstick was on a sticker at the bottom of the lipstick. So yeah, if the company is watching, it's something that you can incorporate also at the bottom of the lipstick. It just makes it easier for some of us who don't actually keep the box and would like to know what shade we're wearing. It'll be nice to have it also at the bottom of the lipstick. And then when you open it, you've got the lipstick, and then you've got log and embossed on the actual bullet. And on the body of it, you get the LogWoman name on the gold tube, and it's just a typical roll in, roll out type of bullet, and the cap clips in, so which is good, nice and safe for your bag. These lipsticks retail for £14. It is a UK company and Nigerian, I think. It's not only UK. It does say that they're handmade in small batches in the UK. So yeah, they are UK. You guys should go and check out their website. So the lipsticks. Now, I am wearing Delish and Too Much Sauce are my two favorite shades in the whole range that I have swatched. I obviously have not swatched the entire collection. They do have other colors, so I'm only going to speak on the ones that I've got. I love the formula of Delish and the formula of Too Much Sauce. I think, one, the formula is fantastic. It feels really comfortable, easy to glide on, and two, they are women of color friendly. My gosh, do you guys see the way I look right now? Like, this lipstick is giving me sexy goth, just gorgeousness. I absolutely love this color, and I love the Too Much Sauce color, which is the first shade that I swatched. So if you are a woman of color, I would encourage you to go and get these lipsticks. I do have a discount code down below you can use to get 10% off your shop. But yeah, these lipsticks do retail for £14, so you can get a discount on that. Regarding the other colors, some of the shades let me down just a little bit and could do with a little bit more pigment. However, I do know that there's some women, I do have friends who don't like too much pigment in lipsticks, and they tend to just tap their lipstick because they don't want the full impact of the color. So those shades will be perfect for you because you're in full control of the amount of pigment that's coming up on your lips. For if you really want it to be pigmented, you go over it a couple of times, and if you're just happy with a nice light wash, then definitely you just go over once and it will be perfect. So if you are the type of person that doesn't like full-on colors for some of these shades, then definitely it's for you. The colors give a nice little light wash. They are moisturizing. They feel really nice once they're on the lips. The bullets themselves, except for Delish and Too Much Sauce, those are perfect. There's nothing to change. The other bullets themselves could do with being a little softer in my book. Like, they are okay when you use, but they could just do with just being a teeny bit softer on the lips. For somebody who's inexperienced and doesn't know how to roll up a tube, obviously if you've got a tube lipstick, you don't want to go all the way or else you will break it. You'd want to just go, you know, part way and apply your lipstick, so it could do with being a little softer. The good thing about the company is when they do ship out your lipstick, it does come with instructions as to, for a beginner, which is great, how to roll up the lipstick. Make sure you don't roll it up too much, what to expect, little information about the company. So I do love that touch. I love these companies who really take the customer into consideration. Plus, it's a black owned company, so yeah, you kind of have to support your black owned people. but I really absolutely love Delish and Too Much Sauce. So if you're on the hunt for women of color shades, I would recommend these two shades, absolutely. If you love light wash of color but you do want to dabble a little bit, in like the purples and the blues, you know, and the silvers, then you do want to pick up the other shades because you're in full control of the amount of pigment that comes out on your lips. Other than that, that is all I have to say about this company, all I have to say about these lipsticks. I'm just gonna rock myself with this lipstick on my lips, yeah. If you try this company, is there any other company you guys want me to test out? Leave them in the comment box below. Make sure you catch my other videos that will show at the end of this one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for clicking that subscribe button. I'm so happy to have you on my channel watching my video. So thank you so much for subscribing. Tell your friends, tell your family, let them subscribe as well. You shouldn't enjoy this on your own. You should have more people. I'm just saying. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Now remember, God doesn't like ugly, so be nice to someone today. Bye.